So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for always coming back. In today's content, we'll be talking about how to make money from money. A lot of people have money but they do not know what to do with it. And so in this content, we'll be talking about how to make more money from the money you already have. If you're interested in a content like this, please watch to the very end, subscribe. Let's do all the great stuff. Give me a massive thumbs up, comment, share, and like. Let's get right into today's video. Money has the potential to grow, to increase, and to multiply. The first step to make more money out of money is to actually have a way of earning income. Have at least start with one single source of income to ensure that there is salary coming in, there is cash flow coming in always. It's very important to keep that cash flow coming in, even if it's just one way, because that's where we actually need to start off. Very important. Have money always coming. It could be salary 9 to 5 working. It could be you being an entrepreneur, business person, doing your own business. But ensure that you have one way of money always coming to you. Number two, guys, if you establish or you already have one way of earning income, ensure that you learn about that particular job. If you have to go to the internet to seek knowledge, you have to take courses, have knowledge and expertise or skills, really acquire them. Give it your all. Very important. Put in your sweat, your labor, your energy, your time, your investment, your money. Make sure it actually works. That particular business or whatever earning income source, make sure you ensure that it is grounded. Some people would actually, if you are interested in, let's say, be a hotel manager, you want to open your own hotel, you can actually go and get employed in a hotel, learn from security to cleaning services to catering to management to accounting, whatever ensures the day-to-day running of, let's say, a hotel. You want to open a hotel, ensure that you go and get employed in a hotel and learn from the very scratch, the basics, to ensure that you have the expertise, the skills, the knowledge before you actually start your own. And by working for somebody, you're also gaining an income stream or an income source that you can save towards opening your own hotel in the future, for example. Number three, guys, after you have really gotten that expertise, that knowledge, grow it, grow more knowledge, more money, more ways of earning income, even from that particular um, sector you find yourself, make yourself more valuable, have the expertise so that you can increase your earning potential or earning capacity. So you've done all these things, the fourth step is to really consider getting a second income stream. Like I said, if you want to be a millionaire, only one source of income is not going to help you. And so, whilst you're working, for example, of this person who wants to open a hotel, once you've started, you're working for someone and earning income, you can start a side hustle. It doesn't mean that you quit your job instantly, but it's a gradual process. Whilst you're working for somebody, you're also doing your own work or business at the side and give it your very all as well, like how you did it for the very first job. Do it for the second income stream as well. Give it your all. Repeat the first, second, and third steps for this second income stream to ensure that it also is grounded and established. After that, now we have two income streams coming in, and then we want to, as time goes on, learn about investments, not just putting aside money, that is savings, but ensuring that we put it into assets. Some people would invest all their money, but what if you have emergencies coming up? You need to have some money aside for just savings and then some for investment. You can buy stocks, you can have rental apartments, whatever in assets. Assets are things that bring money back to you, and so whatever assets you can put your money into, what other investment vehicles or instruments that you can put your money into to increase and have more money, you start investing. Because with investment, the cash has to continually flow in. And it's a very consistent thing you have to do. Investment, if you really want to enjoy, if you really want to see significant growth or progress, or have, yield a lot of profits or investments or dividends, you need to consistently be putting money into that investment. And so if we have two income streams, two sources of earning income, then we can have enough money to continually invest as time goes on. So this is the way you can actually invest. This is the way you can actually have money, making more money from the money that you already have. If you have understood these steps, type in the comment section, understand. If you agree, type I agree. If you don't agree, type I don't agree. Whatever be it, let us hear from you. If you have any comments, any questions, we'll be here. We'll love to hear from the comment section down below. Do you want to check out my previous videos and watch out for the next one? The Lord bless and keep us all. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share with your family and friends. Anyone you think, if you found this information very useful, would also find it also useful, share with anyone you know. The Lord bless and keep us all. I'll see you in the next one. It's bye for now.